Well guys, it is April 17th and I got another package from somebody here that we want to open and see what we all got. It's from Booms Fishing, and they sent me some lures and I'm not even sure, don't remember what it all is anymore, but anyway, it is April 17th and I should be out turkey hunting, I should be working, I should be fishing, I should be doing a lot of things, but they sent me this quite a while ago already and I need to get it out there and show it to you guys. And I guess today we're just gonna do like a review, just look at it. Sometime soon I want to go take it out and test it and see if we can't catch any fish and just see how it goes from there. Anyway, I'm gonna open this thing up and we're gonna see what we got from Booms Fishing. Anyway, we got a Pliers. So there it is, Booms Fishing. This Pliers here is kind of what I'm excited about. Let's see if I can just tear that open. Oh yeah. So this here is a aluminum pliers. It's got a spring loaded deal. It's got a cutters here. Got the big replaceable blades there for line cutting. Got the little split ring hook on the end. Just a nice pliers. It's got a little bungee cord lanyard here. And then, not sure, I don't think it locks. Doesn't lock, but it has a sheath for it and a little velcro deal here to open and close. And the lanyard you could obviously put on here. It's got holes in here, clip it on there. Doesn't really matter, however you want to do it. If you wouldn't be using the holster, you could also put it in your tackle box and just have it probably put the split ring through one of these deals here and clip it anywhere. So that is that one there. I always needed a good fishing pliers, so that'll be a handy deal to throw in my tackle box. Got a box of it says Tokyo rigs. I was thinking these were the drop shots, but they're the Tokyo. So got some offset hooks. Got these all pre-rigged with the, you know, the sliding weights on the, I don't know, is it a 2 yeah, about 3 inch probably, with the hooks already installed, weights and a little red bead in between. There is 4 of those and some extra hooks. So that's a nice little case here. Put them in. That'll be awesome for bass fishing. Throw your Senkos on there. I don't know, all kinds of different ways you could probably use those. Also, this one here I can use. I'm always looking for a good braided fishing line, and this is 150 yards of 15-pound line. And like I said, with all this stuff I'll show close-ups, and I'll probably do some short videos also of each one individually. But this line here looks very thin to think that it's 15-pound. I don't know, I like to go heavier on my line so I can just, if I have a fish I know I can haul him in. Savage braided line from Booms Fishing is what it's called. But yeah, it is very thin. It's like so thin that it looks like sewing thread. So that'll be interesting. Anyway, I'm curious to try that out. Probably what I'll do, one of my fishing rods that I like that needs new string, I'll probably put this string on, and then we will obviously use that awesome pliers, put one of these rigs on there, and then we'll go fishing. But if we put a snap swivel on there, we can throw some of these. We got some spinner baits. Yeah, that's what they call them, is a spinner bait. It's like a minnow with a rooster tail treble hook on the back and a big spinner. Got a gold one, a silver one. I mean, yeah, a silver one, a gold one, and a bronze one there. Again, they have these little cases that you could basically just slide in your fishing pack or whatever. They also do have fishing packs available online. Also, I will have links for each one of these things in the description or in the comments somewhere. Anyway, these things are weighted. They're pretty heavy. Well, I think I already got the thing hooked in my coat. I can see where these would work good for like a northern pike or something too. Anyway, there we got the 3 set of spinner baits. And these here are very exciting here. These are little so these they call a topwater fishing lure. Booms Fishing, which they aren't exactly topwater, I don't think they float. They're just shallow swim baits is what they are. Now, swim baits are kind of a hot thing anymore, it seems. But again, that's an awesome little case. Like, you can keep them in there and don't have to try and find a spot, throw them in your tackle box. They have their own little case that still fits right, I mean, thin. Anyway, I'm excited about these. So they're literally little swim baits here. I'll show them up close. 2 very sharp treble hooks on the bottom, and they just, yeah, this one's got like the rainbow trout look to it. They're probably 3 inches long. This one's got more of a goldfish type, nicely painted. This one's got like the shiner look to it. Anyway, I'm very excited to throw those because swim baits seem to, I don't know, they just swim like a real fish, and we will have to test that out and see how they do. But that is it. I will go through all this, and like I said, watch for a video coming up here, a fishing video. What I'll probably do is we'll go fishing. We'll probably throw them out here in the pond a few times, and then take them out to a river somewhere or wherever we end up going fishing next, and I'll show you guys what we catch on them. I think that was everything they sent me. So we got fishing line, pliers, 3-pack of swim baits, 3-pack of spinner baits, and some Tokyo rigs with the hooks and extra hooks along from Booms Fishing. Check them out on probably Amazon is where these links are going to be from, and just watch for the videos. And I guess thanks for watching until the next time when we go fishing with all this stuff and see what we can catch. Maybe we'll catch a 5-pound bass, or who knows, maybe it'll be a bad day of fishing and no matter what we throw we won't catch anything. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless.
Booms Fishing. Make fishing easy.